So this is our new sailboat. We haven't even gotten it in the yard yet. We're just kind of out by the road trying to figure out
how we're gonna get underneath the cables.
We got a bunch of phone cables that are coming down off the telephone pole, so. Alright guys, so it's a week later and we finally made a decision about the boat. So we've decided to go with, you just have to wait and see here. I'll show you in just a little bit. But we thought long and hard about it, weighed the pros and cons. One, the interior is completely done, but what I found is the hull isn't in the greatest shape. So it would need some work on the hull. All the gel coat's cracked, it's been painted, the paint's old, it's gonna come off. However, it's got everything that's ready to go. Now the other one, the hull is in pretty much perfect condition. It's got a lot of parts, but it's not put together, so we have to put it all together ourselves. And I think we're gonna just, we'll just show you which one we got. This is the first time seeing the boat during the daytime. We looked at it a few times at night under some bright lights. And there she is. All pulled out, ready to go.
Have you got any straps?
Yeah.
Probably just gonna need one from here to here, sitting on that side. I got the bow pulled down with the, actually I got two straps in the bow, I got the windlass.
Okay.
Alright, so that ain't going nowhere.
Oh, perfect.
Let's see what else have I got here. Oh, the pillow.
Yeah.
Reach that up, maybe set it on the bow rail.
Okay.
Gonna say, don't forget on the wiring harness when you plug it in, you're gonna have to either make sure you unplug it when you extend that to launch this thing.
Yeah.
Because you got to get the trailer way in.
People are gonna love us going to the rail.
Go online, watch that thing. Harbor Freight, $49 for the electric winch. That's what I was gonna do. I was gonna mount it there, and the guy shows that it's all set up. He goes forward. He doesn't even undo his shrouds. The only one that's undone is the forestay. And he just comes forward with the mast, puts the pin in, okay?
Yeah.
And then hooks the forestay on the electric winch and sits there with a button, pulls the mast up.
All right. Cool, thank you very much.
All right, kid. Have
All
a good one. Take it easy going home.
All right, yeah.
After about an hour or so of gathering everything and tying it down, we're finally ready to take this thing home. What do you think we should call her?
I don't know.
The Catalina wine mixer. No?
No. We haven't even gotten it in the yard yet. We're just kind of out by the road trying to figure out
how we're gonna get underneath the cables.
We got a bunch of phone cables that are coming down off the telephone pole, so we're gonna figure that out. And then yeah, so this is it. It's missing the dinette table, which goes right here. There's little brackets on the wall for it, and then there's our boom and our main sail there. So the interior is in really good shape. There is no really cracks or damage. There's no mold growing in here. It's in good shape.
It's in great shape.
All the covers here for all the compartments are here. The companionway, we have that. The boat just needs to be wired now.
There's no battery.
There's no battery.
Oh, we knew that, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's in pretty good shape, I think.
It's definitely going to be a project and a half. I think when we're done, we're definitely going to know everything about a sailboat when we have to put this thing back together.
Oh yeah, the mast is off right now. As you can see, all of the shrouds are disconnected. Nothing is connected, so we're going to need to kind of get some training here and figure out what the heck we're doing.
But look at the condition of this wood.
Yeah, the teak's
Look
in
at that.
pretty good shape. Huh?
This is my favorite part of Catalina. Because I've seen other little sailboats like this where it's just like a metal something as the support for the mast.
Yeah.
This is so cute.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
It's got room for a little potty in here, which we got included for free. I think we just needed to get the wiring done.
Yeah, just give it a little...
Get the wiring done.
Little
Make sure all
grease.
the shrouds and everything are in good shape. Probably need to replace the lines.
Yeah, some of these look really worn.
Yeah, I'd rather just do new lines.
Yeah.
And yeah. All right.
All in all, I think this is a pretty good deal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For what we paid for it.
Yeah.
It's got good bones, you know.
And I think you might clear it. It might rub at the end, but... So right around here, you might start to like touch it a little bit, but I don't know. I don't think it's gonna hook onto anything.
I'm gonna go slow.
Yeah. Hold. Okay, perfect. You cleared it. You're fine. Yeah, you might not even touch the tree. Perfect. Now let's see if he can turn it around and back it into the spot we want to put it. Goal is to try and get it here. So if he pulls it in and then tries and backs it up here somehow.
Perfect. So what I'm gonna try to do is just back up that way and keep going. Maybe we can, I don't know. We'll figure it out.
Yeah, but so far so good.
We'll take the dog, just throw him up there and see what he does.
Good idea. I think it worked out perfectly. We were a little concerned that we needed to like get my dad's truck and pull it from the other end, but it maneuvered perfectly.
Yeah.
should-
We're at our limit of maneuverability.
Yeah, but it worked.
Sure. So I'm just kind of taking an inventory. This the whole mast, everything on it that was rigged to it was just a gigantic rat's nest. So I've kind of laid everything out now. I've untangled all the lines and all the shrouds and the stays. So everything's kind of lined up. I put the stays that way. I pulled all the shrouds this way, separated them out, and everything kind of looks to be here. So that's good news. The only thing that we need to take care of now, obviously we need to clean this up, replace any lines that we're going to replace. The sheaves at the end of the masthead need to be replaced. We got brand new ones that came along with it. So we'll put those in there, replace any lines, and then go from there. Maybe next weekend we'll have everything done. We'll be at least step the mast and get it in the air and see what we need to do from there. So we kind of got everything spread out across the place here. Just kind of taking an inventory of everything we got. A lot of stuff. But I think it'll come together pretty quickly.
We've got a lot of work ahead of us, but I'm really excited. All this work, I think, will really teach us about sailing. Well, I mean, not so much of sailing, but about the sailboat.
Yeah,
Maybe
we need to
it'll help
learn the
us.
nomenclature and everything else.
Yeah, because I don't know what's a spinnaker? No, I don't know any of these things.
Yeah, you don't even know what a sail is.
I know what a sail is.
Okay. Anyway, do us a favor, if you enjoyed this video and you want to follow along, click that subscribe button down below there and make sure you hit the notification icon so you get notified whenever we post a new episode here. And follow along on our adventure. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.